A wall-mounted fold-away drying rack above the tub transforms a cramped bathroom into a functional drying space without losing floor area. For small homes where every inch counts, select a system that fits the wet area and resists corrosion by choosing marine-grade stainless steel or powder-coated aluminum hardware and using mildew-resistant nylon lines. Measure the span above your tub or shower and allow at least 8 inches clearance from the water spout so towels do not drip into the tub. If you cannot mount into a stud, use heavy-duty toggle anchors rated for the load. For fold-down towel rods, mount one at chest height for daily use and a higher one for longer items, and install with stainless steel screws to prevent rust stains. A retractable laundry line that tucks into the wall is ideal when you want a clean face when not drying. Route the cassette into a stud bay and seal around the cut with bathroom-grade silicone to maintain moisture resistance. Pull-down louvered frames give better air circulation for delicates because they create gentle separation between items, so hang heavier pieces on the outer slats and lighter fabrics inside to balance drying. Ceiling-mounted, retractable air-dry frames work well in high-ceiling bathrooms. Install with plated eye bolts into joists and use plastic-coated lines to protect fibers, and if you add a small oscillating fan position to push air across the hanging fabric, you will speed drying without raising humidity too much. Heated towel rails double as drying racks and should be hardwired or fitted by a licensed electrician following local code. Choose a rail with timed thermostatic control and keep delicate fabrics off direct heat by draping them over multiple bars so heat distributes evenly. The most common mistake is placing the rack where steam condenses directly on fabric, causing musty smells and frequent rewashing. Move the rack slightly away from the shower spray and ensure a short ventilation cycle after showers. A second frequent issue is overloading lightweight wall anchors, which pulls units loose and damages tile. Always use anchors rated above the expected load or fasten into studs and check hardware monthly for movement. Third is choosing materials that corrode in wet environments, which leaves stains and weakens the structure. Pick stainless steel or powder-coated options and rinse coastal or chlorinated bathroom installations occasionally with fresh water and mild detergent. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners discover practical bathroom drying storage ideas like fold-away racks above tubs and connect with local contractors who can install the systems. We host a discussion community where our members share installation tips, photos, and product experiences so we can learn from each other and contractors can find new projects.